We are going to start in this video exercise 13.2 question number 4. In previous video we have done 3 questions of this exercise. We will continue with 4 number. Let us see the question number 4. That is, a pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depression to hold pens. So, this is very common thing we may have on our study table pen stand. When we notice that the shape of that stand looks like this, it will have a cuboidal shape, and then you will find that this conical depression is made. How many are there in that? 4. Of course, top will be round and we hold the pen in that. This is the condition this question have. How many conical holes are there? Conical depression, we just say in simple word conical holes. We just put pen in that and pen remain standing. So, the shape of that wooden shape is, wooden structure we can say is cuboidal, and then there are 4 conical holes in that. Let us see the dimensions. Already we have seen in the diagram there are 2 shapes. What are the shapes? One is cuboid, and in that cuboidal shape there are 4 conical holes. We find, reading the question, we will find the dimension. The dimension of the cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. Let us go with that. We start solution. We write down first the dimensions. The dimensions of cuboid. It is here length, breadth and height. Let us write down one after another, that is 15, 10, 3.5. 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Now, let us talk about that holes, conical holes. What is the dimension? The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth is 1.4 centimeter. So, for conical depression or just for cone we write in short, radius is there mentioned clearly, height is also mentioned. Radius is 0.5 centimeter, all right, and the height is 1.4 centimeter. So, these all are the dimensions what we saw in diagram, and then what we have to do? Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So, just remember, if the holes are conical, that means these are empty. Actually, this is not there, that wood is not there, that is why it is hole. Pen will insert in that, right. So, we will find, how we will find how much volume of wood is in that? Total volume of cuboid, and from cuboid that depression is taken out, holes are there, that means minus volume of 4 cones. So, let us do that. Volume of wood in the entire stand, pen stand it is, no? Yes, volume of wood used in the entire stand. What will be? First of all, the whole volume of the structure, that stand, that is cuboid. So, volume of cuboid minus, how many holes are there? 4. 4 depression or 4 holes. So, 4 into volume of cone. Each depression is same, of same dimension. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, we all are very familiar with this formula. Again 4 into volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. We will try to see the question, value of pi is mentioned or not? Not mentioned. So, we will go with 22 by 7, that is all. Length cuboidal portion 15, breadth 10, height 3.5. So, this is the volume of cuboidal shape. Now, 4 into 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7, radius of conical portion is what? 0.5, square is there. So, 0.5 into 0.5, and then height is also in decimal 1.4. Now, here we see we can't take anything common. So, we will go separately this part calculation and that part calculation. Remove decimal, 10 comes. Here also this remove decimal, 10 comes, because only one digit, every number has got decimal digit. See whatever possible to cut. 5 ones are 5 twos are, again 5 ones are 5 twos are, 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2 ones are, carefully cut. Then 22 and 10 also we can cut. So cut it. 2 5s are 10, 2 11s are 22. Any more number? Yes, 4 and 2 we can cut. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, so only this all we can cut, remaining we will multiply and write. And here 15 into 1 into 35, decimal and 0 later. 15 5s are 75, 7 remains, 15 3s are 45, 7 52, then 0 we put, decimal is only after one digit, we put after one digit decimal. We go after minus, we find 2 into 11, in numerator only these two numbers are there, 22, by 3 into 5, 15. So what shall we do now? 525.0, let it be, minus 22 divided by 15, separately we will convert into decimal. 15 ones are 15, 7, now we put decimal 0, 15 fours are 60, remaining 10, again 1 0 comes, 15 6 are 90, 100 minus 90 will be 10, again 1 0 we can take, 15 6 are. So we find 1.4466. So what shall we do? We will take approximate value, third digit is 6, so we will take next to this 4 7. It has single decimal digit, we can put here one more 0 and subtract. 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 4 5, here we get 4, 4 minus 1 3, 2 5. So the volume of wood used in the entire pen stand is 523.53 centimeter cube. Hope you have understood. Let us go now in question number 5. Let us start question number 5. We will read it. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. So vessel is in the shape of a cone. This top is open, we need to remember it. Height is 8 and the radius of its top is, radius if we see from here to here, this is 5 centimeter and height is 8. We can show it here also, 8 centimeter. So this is opened, remember. Then it is filled with water up to the brim. So it is completely filled with water. This vessel has water filled in this. Now what is going to happen? What is next condition? Question says here, when lead sorts, you may be knowing marble or some just marble shape lead sorts, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped in the vessel, into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead sorts dropped in the vessel. So we will first write all that information. What is here? For open conical vessel, radius is 5 centimeter and height or depth same only, 8 centimeter. Another object is what here? Lead sort, spherical lead sort. So for spherical lead sorts, it will have only radius is 0.5 centimeter. So just look here, this is lead sort, it has 0.5 centimeter. Not saying here one lead sort, some lead sorts are dropped into the vessel. Then what will happen? Since it was full, some amount of water will flow out. Number of shots, we are not mentioning here one shot is dropped. Even if one shot we drop, if it is completely filled, what will be the volume of this spherical shot, that much water will be splashed out or flowed out. But here some shots, some lead shots we are putting, and how much water came out? 1/4 of the, it is here, 1/4 of the water flows out. That is the situation. So, how many shots, lead shots we dropped in the vessel? This we have to find out. Anyway, we will go with the condition. What is that? When some lead shots are dropped, when lead shots are dropped into the vessel, how much water flows out? 1/4 of the water flows out. 1/4, I will write here, not in words, in fraction. 1/4 of water flows out. That means as many lead shots we dropped, that is, their volume is equal to the 1/4 of the volume of the water in the vessel. This we need to remember. How many dropped, how many shots we dropped, don't know. So, let the number of shots, lead shots dropped in the vessel, dropped into the vessel, be x. As many, we don't know. So, as per the question, now we go. What is that? Volume of water, 1/4. So, volume of how many sphere? X. So, volume of x sphere, it may be 10, 15, 30, 20, we do not know, we are going to find out that number. So, volume of that many sphere is equal to how much water is flowing out of the vessel? 1/4 into volume of cone. So, this situation will give us the number of vessels. So, volume of how many spheres? X spheres is equal to how much water flows out? 1/4 into volume of cone. We can straight write, no problem, because water is in conical vessel, its shape will be conical only. X sphere, volume of x sphere. What is the volume of sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So, x sphere, x into 4/3 pi r cube, this is the volume of sphere. And 1/4, this 1/4 from where? 1/4, that is 1/4 of the volume of water is flowing out of the vessel, remember. And then volume of cone, 1/3 pi r square h. Let us see x, we are going to find out how many lead shots we dropped in the vessel. So, it remains 4/3, let it be 4 now, later after using this all value we will find out. Pi 22/7, radius of what? Lead shot, we have 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, cubities into 0.5. Now, we go in conical portion, 1/4 into 1/3 pi 22/7, radius of conical vessel 5. So, 5 square, 5 into 5, and height is 8. Now, look at these, all the terms are in multiplication in LHS, and also that all the terms are in multiplication in RHS. So, from multiplication, if we take it in RHS, what will happen? It will change into division, and after division what we do? We divide, we cut. So, from here straight we can cut 22/7, 22/7. And also see, 3 is in denominator, here also 3 is in denominator. This 4 don't cut, because this 4 is in numerator, that 4 is in denominator, we will not cut that. same term of same sign. Remember this, same term of same sign, both should be there. All right. Then no other thing. Here we can cut 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Okay. So now we need what? X. X we keep in LHS. Remaining these all 4, 0.5, 0.5 we will send in RHS. But before that we write what are remaining in RHS, that is 5 into 5 into 2. So that will remain in numerator, 5 into 5 into 2 by 4 will come in division, 0.5 also division mean in denominator, again 0.5 will be there, again will be one more 0.5. And very carefully remove decimal from here, 10 will come because it has one decimal digit. Second one also, this remove decimal, another 10 will come. This decimal also we will remove, one more 10 will come. Now it is here 4 into 5 into 5 into 5, and upside also numbers are there, cut. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, again 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, still 2 ones are, 2 ones are. What we get? X into X, that is 100. That means 100 lead shots we are dropping in the vessel, and 1/4 of water flows out of the vessel. I hope you have understood.